The third generation ImageRunner Advanced models now come standard with Universal Login Manager, or ULM. Designed for small and medium-sized businesses, ULM provides a simple way for users to identify themselves and have a personalized experience at the device. It also enables IT departments to track print and copy usage without requiring a server. Activating an authentication solution can help you get the most out of your ImageRunner Advanced models by adding a range of control, productivity, and security features. Although ULM is now standard on third-generation ImageRunner Advanced models, it must first be activated. This is done through the Service Management Service, or SMS. With ULM, users can be authenticated directly on the device or with an Active Directory server. When running in serverless mode, the administrator can create user accounts and set access permissions through the remote UI. This device-based authentication information can then be shared across multiple devices. Or each device can be connected to a central Active Directory server, which hosts the authentication data. With ULM, the ImageRunner Advanced models can be configured so that only authorized users are set up to access the device. ULM can be configured with several different login modes, including picture login, where the user can select their icon by entering their username and password, or by proximity card login, where the user simply swipes their badge on a card reader to log in. Many organizations want to be able to restrict certain features to certain users or groups. Universal Login Manager allows the administrator to restrict functionalities such as color copying to sending emails to authorized users. As you can see here, I have full access to all functions, but we can restrict certain users from using Scan and Send to help limit people who can send information through the device. Each device can be configured separately, allowing the administrator complete flexibility. Before organizations can look to reduce costs, they have to know what those costs are and how they are being created. ULM includes a tracking tool, allowing organizations to obtain a simple overview of usage per user or department. The tracking tool shows data from multiple devices in a single consolidated report, and this information can be exported as a CSV file for further analysis. The ImageRunner Advanced models offer many features that contribute to a